Welcome to this tutorial on how to troubleshoot Phantom Wallet extension. Phantom Wallet is a popular digital wallet used for storing and managing cryptocurrency and other digital assets on the Solana blockchain. To start troubleshooting Phantom Wallet extension, first ensure that you have the latest version of the extension installed. You can check for updates in the Chrome Web Store or the browser's extension menu. Next, if you are experiencing issues with the extension, try restarting your browser. This often resolves minor issues and can help to refresh the extension. If the issue persists, try disabling and re-enabling the extension. This can help to reset the extension's settings and resolve any conflicts with other extensions. Another common issue with Phantom Wallet extension is the inability to connect to the Solana blockchain. To resolve this, ensure that your internet connection is stable and that the Solana blockchain is not experiencing any downtime. You can also try clearing the extension's cache and storage. This will remove any temporary data that may be causing issues with the extension. To do this, go to the browser's settings, then Extensions, and select the Phantom Wallet extension. Click on the three dots next to the extension and select Remove Data. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you may need to reinstall the extension. To do this, go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Phantom Wallet, and click on the Remove button. Then, click on the Add to Chrome button to reinstall the extension. It is also a good idea to check the Phantom Wallet website for any known issues or updates that may be relevant to your issue. The website often has a support section with troubleshooting guides and FAQs that can help to resolve common issues. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues with the Phantom Wallet extension, you can try reaching out to the Phantom Wallet support team for further assistance. They can provide more detailed guidance and help to resolve any complex issues. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve most issues with the Phantom Wallet extension. Remember to always keep your extension and browser up to date, and to be cautious when managing your digital assets.